Welcome to the next video, Medical Arabic Conversation with Healthcare Team, Present Tense Sentences. First one is Dhahaba. Dhahaba means went. Same meaning is Rah. Rah is went. It is in past form. We have to convert it is in present form. I go. I go means Dhahaba is converted to Adhab. Rah is converted to Aruh. Just add Halif. Adhab, Aruh. Dhahaba is converted to Adhab. Adhab means I go. Rah is converted to Aruh. I go. Next one is I do. Fahala is converted to Afhalu. Afhalu means I do. Afhalu. Next one, I go to the hospital to check my blood pressure. Hadhab ilal mustashfa lifahas lahatuddam. Adhab means I go. Ilal mustashfa to the hospital. Lifahas to check lahatuddam blood pressure. Next one, I work for long hours. Ana ahmalu lissahati tawilati. Ana ahmalu means I work. Otherwise you can say ahmalu. Ana ahmalu or ahmalu lissahati tawilati. I work for long hours. Once again, Dhahaba is converted to Adhab. I go. Adhab. Rah is converted to Aruh. Aruh. Next one, I do. Afhalu. Fahala is converted to Afhalu. I go to the hospital to check my blood pressure. Adhab ilal mustashfa lifahas lahatuddam. Next one, I work for long hours. Ahmalu lissahati tawilati. Ahmalu lissahati tawilati. Next one is you go. You go. If it is male, you anta. If it is female, anti. In this case, we can go to discuss the male case. Dhahaba, it is converted to Tadhab. Dhahaba is converted to Tadhab. Rah is converted to Troh. Troh. Just add Ta in front of Dhahaba and Rah. Dhahaba is converted to Tadhab. Rah is converted to Troh. You do. Fahala is converted to Tafhalu. Tafhalu. You go to the hospital to check blood pressure. Tadhab ilal mustashfa lifahas lahatuddam. Tadhab ilal mustashfa lifahas lahatuddam. Adhab is converted to Tadhab. Adhab means I go. Tadhab, you go. You take medicine regularly. Anta tattanawal dawa bintilam. Bintilam means regularly. Tanawal is converted to tattanawal. If it is I, it become tanawal. If it is you, tattanawal. Otherwise you can use ahud. I take, it become ahud. You take Tahud. Tahud. Anta Tahud dawa bintilam. You take medicine regularly. Once again, you go. You go to become Dhahaba become Tadhab. Rah become Taruh. In the front you can add Ta. Tadhab, Troh. You do. Tafhal. Fahala become tafhal. You go to the hospital to check blood pressure. تذهب إلى المستشفى لفحص ضغط الدم. Next one, you take medicine regularly. تتناول دواء بانتظام. تتناول دواء بانتظام. Otherwise, تأخذ دواء بانتظام. Next one is she go. It is similar to the last one. Rah is converted to through. Dahaba is converted to tadhab. Fahala is converted to tafhal. Tafhalu, she does. She go to the hospital to check blood pressure. تذهب إلى المستشفى لفحص ضغط الدم. تذهب إلى المستشفى لفحص ضغط الدم. Next one, she do exercise every day. تمارس رياضة كل يوم. تمارس رياضة كل يوم. Once again, she go. She go is similar to the last one. You go if it is in male case, and she go is similar. Through, Rah is converted to through. Dahaba is converted to tadhab. She does tafhalu. She go to the hospital to check blood pressure. تذهب إلى المستشفى لفحص ضغط الدم. She do exercise every day. تمارس رياضة كل يوم. First one, she go to the hospital to check blood pressure. تذهب إلى المستشفى لفحص ضغط الدم. Next one, she does exercise every day. تمارس رياضة كل يوم. تمارس رياضة كل يوم. Next one, she tests blood sugar and BP every day. هي تختبر سكر في الدم وضغط الدم كل يوم. هي تختبر, she tests سكر في الدم وضغط الدم كل يوم. She takes medicine regularly. هي تتناول دواء بانتظام. Otherwise, تتناول دواء بانتظام. Otherwise, تأخذ دواء بانتظام. She uses shampoo twice weekly. تستخدم شامبو مرتين أسبوعين. تستخدم شامبو مرتين أسبوعين. Next one is he go. Ego, tadhab is converted to, dhahaba is converted to idhab. Rah is converted to yaruh. Fahala is converted to yaf'alu. The yah added to the front side. He does yaf'alu. He go to the hospital to check his blood pressure. يذهب إلى المستشفى لفحص ضغط دمه. ضغط الدم blood pressure. ضغط دمه is blood pressure. Next one, he go to the office every day at 8 o'clock. يذهب إلى المكتب كل يوم في الساعة 8. يذهب إلى المكتب كل يوم في الساعة 8. في الساعة 8 means 8 o'clock. If it is I, أذهب إلى المكتب. If it is you, تذهب إلى المكتب. If it is she, تذهب. If it is he, يذهب. Next one, they. They means whom. They go, يروحون, يذهبون. Dhahaba is converted to yadhabun. Rah is converted to yaruhun. Fahala is converted to yaf'alun. They do. They go to the hospital to check blood pressure. يذهبون إلى المستشفى لفحص ضغط الدم. يذهبون إلى المستشفى لفحص ضغط الدم. يذهبون means they go. Next one, they go to the office every day at 8 o'clock. يذهبون إلى المكتب هم كل يوم في الساعة 8. Once again, they go. They means whom. They go. Dhahaba is converted to idhabun. Raha is converted to iruhun. Fahala is converted to if'alun. They go to the hospital to check blood pressure. يذهبون إلى المستشفى لفحص ضغط الدم. يذهبون إلى المكتبهم كل يوم في الساعة 8. مكتبهم means their office. يذهبون they. Next one is we go. We means نحن. Dhahaba is converted to nadhab. Rah is converted to naruh. Fahala is converted to nafhal. We take medicine regularly. Nahnu natanawal dawa bintilam. Nahnu natanawal dawa bintilam. Next one, we use shampoo twice weekly. نستخدم شامبو مرتين أسبوعين. نستخدم استخدم is converted to نستخدم. We use shampoo مرتين أسبوعين. We use shampoo twice weekly. We go. نروح نذهب. نحن is converted to نروح نذهب. We do نفعل. We take medicine regularly. نحن نتناول دواء بانتظام. We use shampoo twice weekly. نستخدم شامبو مرتين أسبوعين. نستخدم استخدم is converted to نستخدم. If it is he, يستخدم. If it is you, تستخدم.